Mother and motherland are greater than heaven, showing the epitome of love towards motherland. That was a beautiful presentation by the artist from West Bengal, and that program was sponsored by Eastern General Cultural Center, Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Presenting next is Bualpui Cheraw dance by Mizo tribe. Performers are the artists of Young Mizo Association, LAMKA branch. Bualpui Cheraw is a very old traditional dance of the Mizos. So goes the legend. It used to be performed in earlier times only to ensure a safe passage and a victorious entry for the soul of a mother who died at childbirth, known in Mizo as Raicha. As the passage to the abode of the dead called Piaral is rough and rugged, Bualpui Cheraw is therefore a dance of sanctification and the redemption performed with great care, precision and elegance. Sometimes the steppings are made in imitation of the movements of birds, the swaying of trees and so on. The girls wear colorful Mizo costumes of Puanche, Karche, Arkeziak. The boys with a Pugri, Tier, Ngautekra and Puandum. It is also performed on the occasion of Buhza Aih, a bumper harvest by an individual family. When the harvested rice is not less than 100 sacks, the blessings received are celebrated with the feast accompanied by rice beer, and the girls on the other hand ceaselessly and enthusiastically performed the Bualpui Cheraw. The Bualpui Cheraw dance was entered into the Guinness Book of World Records as the largest ensemble ever on the globe on the 12th of March 2010 at Aizawl, the capital of Mizoram. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you Bualpui Cheraw traditional dance by the artists of Young Mizo Association, LAMKA branch.
Suksiale vom puayan ron klane valane thangkim nane mo kan ne kaming dailem lae
Dear artists, please kindly be on the stage. We would like to have a photo session with you. May I request all our special dignitaries to honorable ministers, honorable MLAs, and all our esteemed guests to kindly come up on the stage for a photo session with our beautiful, colorful artist. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for the dance troupe from Mizo tribe. Thank you very much.
And would like to request our respected Sir, Pradeep Kumar Jha, Commissioner Tourism, Government of Manipur, to be on the stage for a moment, sir.
I kindly request Sri L. Sushindro, Honorable Minister CAF and PD, PHED, to be present here. We would like to felicitate you.
Ikai kunajariba ngasige thoramasige esteemed guest amoina lengbirakliba Honorable Minister Sri L. Susindro Meite, Honorable Minister CAF and PD and PHED ikai kunnaba uchari ahanbada buke makudol tamjari mafam mathangda lamdamasida puthokchaba lengyan fini aduga Rosette Tamaga ikai kunajariba Commissioner Tourism Government of Manipur Sri Pradeep Kumar Jha IAS na kudol tambiraga ikai kunnabut piri. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. And I would also like to request Sri Abhay Giri,